Hello, everyone. I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of some everyday transportation. Before we begin, if you are new to our channel or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to practice these words together. Please give it a try. Drive, drive, drive. Walk, walk, walk. Take the bus, take the bus, take the bus. Take the subway, take the subway, take the subway. Take the train, take the train, take the train. Take the bullet train, take the bullet train, take the bullet train. Ride a bike, ride a bike, ride a bike. Take a taxi, take a taxi, take a taxi. Or take a cab, take a cab, take a cab. Ride a motorcycle, ride a motorcycle, ride a motorcycle. Take an airplane, take an airplane, take an airplane. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. Stay safe out there, everyone. See you again real soon. Goodbye.